end of Movember, but for one local barbershop, cancer awareness is taken to a whole new level. And hop aboard the Toy and Train show at the fairgrounds. Nikki Mayo is chugging along around town.
It's the fascinating world of miniature railroading.
You walk in the door maybe not knowing anything about it, and after you talk to a few people, you get steered in the right direction.
The Greenberg Toy and Train Show is running the rails at the State Fairgrounds in Timonium, featuring choo-choos old and new.
People remember Lionel, which was O gauge. American Flyer was S gauge. Then you had HO scale. Then you have even smaller N scale. Even smaller yet, then you have Z scale. Not much controversy with model trains. It really is, no matter how much you get into it, it's still a very family-oriented hobby.
For the little conductors in our lives, there's Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends from Sodor. But it's also the younger generation who's going to keep the hobby going.
Kind of planting the seed for the next generation of model railroaders.
The trains will be chugging through small cities, crossing tiny trestles, and traveling through tunnels all weekend. Haircuts, cutting mustaches, even running a 5K. There are so many ways that people are raising money to fight cancer. November became Movember for many men as they grew out their facial hair to raise awareness for prostate cancer research. The Baltimore Barber Lounge in Mount Vernon is always buzzing for a good cause.
I think it's nice just to have this awareness, and I'm glad that I can be a part of it.
Even our producer Steve joined in on the hair-raising fun. But the battle hits even closer to home for Kyle, whose mother has been fighting stage 4 lung cancer.
You try to be there for her, and that's, I think, the only thing that you can do.
And so while Movember comes to a close, the fight against cancer is still going strong.
I think we'll find a cure soon enough.
For The List, I'm Nikki Mayo.